How to change AC compressor, step-by-step HVAC guide. Changing an AC compressor involves safely recovering refrigerant, disconnecting electrical, belt, line connections, removing the old unit, installing the new one with fresh O-rings, oil, and then pulling a vacuum and recharging the system. A complex job best left to pros due to refrigerant handling and system sealing needs, but generally done by first removing the belt, electricals, lines, bolts, then installing new with new oil, seals, vacuuming, and recharging. Key steps: general automotive, HVAC, safety first. Disconnect battery power, for cars, or turn off power to the unit, for home HVAC. Refrigerant recovery. Have a certified technician recover all refrigerant using proper equipment, critical for environmental safety. Access. Remove belts, fan shrouds, or other components blocking access to the compressor. Disconnect. Unplug the electrical connector, remove refrigerant lines, capping them immediately to keep dirt out, and remove mounting bolts. Swap. Install the new compressor, ensuring rubber mounts are in place, and use new O-rings on all connections. Reinstall. Reattach the serpentine belt, electrical connector, and any other removed parts. Vacuum and recharge. A professional must pull a deep vacuum, evacuate moisture, and recharge the system with the correct type, amount of refrigerant. Important considerations. Professional help. Handling refrigerants requires EPA certification. Incorrect handling can harm the environment and your health. System flushing. If the old compressor failed internally, locked up, the system needs flushing and the receiver, drier, or accumulator, and possibly the expansion valve must be replaced to prevent contamination. Oil. New compressors often need specific PAG oil added before installation. Tools. You'll need wrenches, sockets, a torque wrench, refrigerant gauges, vacuum pump, and potentially a brazing torch. Recommendation. Because of the refrigerant and specialized equipment needed, most DIYers should have a mechanic handle the refrigerant recovery, vacuum, and recharge steps.